Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore coaching offers with Systeme.io email sequences step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Systeme.io account. Navigate to the dashboard and click on the email section. Select the sequences option to view your existing email sequences. Click on the create button to start a new email sequence. Name your sequence something relevant to your coaching offers. In the sequence editor, set a trigger for your emails. Decide when you want the emails to be sent out to your recipients. Start adding your first email to the sequence by clicking on Add Email. Craft a compelling subject line that grabs attention. In the body of the email, introduce your coaching offer clearly. Highlight the key benefits of your program. Include a personal story or testimonial to build trust. Add a strong call to action that encourages the reader to learn more. Set the delay for when this email should be sent after the trigger. Continue adding additional emails to the sequence as needed. Ensure each email follows a coherent structure and maintains interest. Incorporate different types of content like tips, success stories, or FAQs. Remember to include a reminder to book a session or contact you. Preview each email to ensure formatting and content are correct. Save your changes regularly as you work through the sequence. Once all emails are added, review the entire sequence for flow. Test the sequence by sending it to yourself or a colleague. Make any adjustments based on your test results. Finally, activate your email sequence to start sending it to your audience. Monitor the performance metrics to evaluate engagement. Use this data to refine your email content and strategy as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.